Hey guys, how's it going? So we woke up to a beautiful, misty, kind of rainy morning. It's gorgeous out here, and we are heading down to the garden center to help with some Christmas preparations. I think my mom and Monica are going to be working on the window decor. They kind of had a vision for what they wanted to do there, and I'm going to be working on 1 or 2 trees, Christmas trees. I'm so excited. Look at how beautiful it is today. I love it. I'm not sick of the dreary weather yet. I was kind of ready for it. By about January 2nd, I'm sick of the cold weather. But right now, I am soaking it in. Oh, we just arrived. I don't know if you can see through the windows, but I see Christmas lights. Oh, this is gonna make me want to start in at home. It's just such a fun thing to do. And the most fun for me is that the kids love it. And Aaron's gonna bring them down here in a little while, and they will get into the decorating part of it. Like, they want to help. Better late than never.
Yeah, we're just in time for cookies.
Oh, nice. Oh, back here in the sunroom, you guys, they already have some trees done.
I think these are one of my favorites this year.
They're
This
so
pink
pretty.
and gold, they're just, and kind of silvery gold.
Yeah.
They're beautiful.
They're so, like, elegant looking.
So snappy.
Yes.
And look at the snowflakes on this one. Like, that's what finished it for me.
Yeah, I've
The
got to have some of those
gem
snowflakes.
Snowflakes.
Yes. Is Mom upstairs?
Yeah.
Okay, let's head up. Oh, the store. Good morning.
Good morning.
Almost afternoon.
Oh,
it feels like.
It's good.
Oh, there's still a ton of stuff up here.
Yep.
Oh, but they're so much less than yesterday.
Yeah. Hey, 2.5 tables has your name all over it.
Okay, show me what I got.
So it starts here,
Okay,
and it just goes. This is called the Woodland Santa, natural
Okay.
Santa.
natural Santa.
A lot of like green velvet
Yeah.
stuff and green velvet, like
Those
these
are
little
neat,
nutcrackers,
yeah.
And these, I just love green. Well,
Yep.
I think it's yours and my favorite color,
Yeah,
right?
for sure. Mhm.
And I even like these green.
Yeah, those are really
Aren't those
neat.
pretty?
Yeah.
I think we have that smaller size on it. That.
Oh,
That's-
pretty, yeah.
That smaller size.
A little bit
And-
of shine.
Yeah, a little shine. And then I actually like these too.
Mm-hmm.
Aren't those pretty?
Those are pretty.
And that
Oh,
little section,
okay, the green,
Yeah.
the trees.
the trees.
Okay.
And these, look at this.
Yeah.
These are so cute.
Oh, I love
I actually
that.
had to buy a set of the silver ones because I love bottle brush
Yeah,
trees.
those are so neat.
So
Yeah.
cute.
Okay,
So it kind of ends right there, but it's this whole complete table
Okay,
too.
so these 2 full tables and then the trees. Got
And
it.
the stuff that's on the floor.
Oh, excellent. Even better.
Yeah.
These light up too. Actually, I need to get batteries.
Oh, cool.
Aren't these just so pretty?
Yes.
You and I just
When
almost bought these
I
last
know, we were looking at them at Atavola.
yeah.
And I think, yeah, when I saw you unpack these, I asked you if
Yes.
they were the only set.
I know, we should have gotten
Yeah.
like 3 or 4 sets.
year. Look how pretty
Yeah,
this
those
is.
are really pretty.
That's super pretty.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
do you want to show me where I'm working up front?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go down. So this is the area.
Okay.
So we're gonna do this whole thing.
Okay.
And you did this area for fall,
Yes.
but we've repainted since then.
That's perfect for this theme.
Yeah, we've repainted.
Okay, so I've got this space here.
Yeah,
And this
this
space
one.
right here.
And we repainted that because that was kind of a burnt red.
Yeah, that's so
Yeah.
peaceful. I like that
Yeah.
color. And
So
we've got
these
this
two.
whole thing as well.
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay. So what's the vision for the windows?
Well, we're gonna do kind of a spray, sort of like from the corner of the window on top and down low, hanging things, including the white Christmas trees.
the white cardboard trees, possibly?
Yeah.
I'll have to.
Did I help you with those or did Monica?
Monica's did.
Monica did.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
that was right before my wedding.
I think
We
we
were
need to.
doing
Yeah.
that.
That seems like forever ago
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
I think we'll need to dry brush some of them to kind of
Probably.
spruce them up just a little bit, but
I hope I can.
I'll help you with that.
okay.
Yeah.
I'll find where they're at. I need
We've
to
got
find them.
props.
Yeah.
I know they're downstairs somewhere.
So that's what we're going to be working on. They're going to be working on the windows. I'll be working on this area. And then Vicky, who's a longtime family friend and also was my soccer coach and also my boss at one point in my life, she's here helping out today too. And she's running. Like, she's going upstairs and getting stuff for us and bringing it down and then helping with the decorating. So it's just a very festive, fun feel. And we've got Christmas tunes on.
That's right.
The only thing we're missing is eggnog.
Oh, I got some at home. I should have brought it. Dang.
I did get some cookies.
Yeah, we got cookies.
Nice. All right, guys. So here we go. it has been a full day. We got a lot done, but it was also really busy, which is a little bit surprising on a late fall day where it's pouring rain for most of the day. Usually those are a little bit slower, but tons of people were coming in. It was really fun. So I'm just gonna walk you through what we got done today. We will do a full tour once all of the poinsettias and Christmas cactus have arrived and once everything else has been set up. It's not 100% done yet. So starting with the windows, Mom got a couple of them completely done. This one right here. And it's just simple and effective. We made these trees out of cardboard. I want to say it's been like, oh, I don't know, 10 years ago. We just store them flat down in the basement and they come out every other year or so. But they just make for such a simple, clean look. And the nice thing about this is that right now they look Christmassy because of the ornaments, but you can take those out after Christmas and then it's just a winter window and it will last through January, February. Just so nice. So this is the other window. Right here. Oh, the glare is just so bad. I'm sorry, you guys. I will show you from inside. I think that might be better. So from the inside, you can see the trees are also painted on the back side so that it looks good from both sides. And there's just a simple swag in the corner and the ornaments right there, which those ornaments, if you plug them in, they go by batteries. They will twirl around, add some movement. And then here are some of the props still. This is kind of where Mom ended. Okay, so let's take a look through the displays that we got done today. We'll start with this one right here. Monica and I kind of tag teamed these areas, which was so nice. You know, we used a lot of the green stuff. There's like green velvet trees, the paper trees right here, green Santas, green nutcrackers. There's cute snowmen with green wreaths on their heads. Just a lot of pretty color. And this side right here ended up a little bit more on the warm side. So on the tree, I used the ornaments that are, these are glass, but they're painted to look like wood on the top and bottom, and then they have the mercury glass in between. And there's cute little reindeer right here, which I forgot to put all the antlers up. I didn't realize for a while that you could do that. So I need to go back through. And I love these. These are so neat. Those are glass as well. And then of course the poinsettia picks right there just added a lot of bulk. I didn't really want to do any ribbon on this tree. I just wanted to, I knew there was gonna be a lot on it. So I wanted to kind of simplify a tad. And then we filled this thing up. There's a lot of fun stuff. I'll just start at the top. There's some signs. These are candle holders with snowflakes. These actually have little LED lights in them so they light up. More signs, there's stocking holders, little birds, little itty bitty snow globes. These are so cute. Monica and Dana both had to buy one. They're really cute. There's a little peace sign, pine cone stocking holders, felted owls. These are little stakes, little decorative stakes. And these little houses light up right here, as do these. These are interesting looking. I think that they light up, this part twists around, and it blows snow. We don't have any batteries for them right now though, so we weren't able to get them up and running. So that's that area. And then this spot ended up being a little bit more like cool tones and a little bit more of a vintage / modern look, I guess. I don't know. I mean, with the bristlecone trees, right? Or bottle brush trees, that's what you call them, right? And they light up, which is so neat. These are so cool. These velvet reindeer right there. There's velvet trees, velvet Santa. And there's all kinds of different trees in here. There's velvet nutcrackers as well toward the bottom there. And here are the ice skates. Aren't those cute? And then you can see the type of ornaments on this tree. There's some dark green ones, both in this size and in a smaller size. Gray with the pearls. There's some more natural, leaves. Some that have birds on them. Here's one that you can see the birds a little bit better. There's a tree on that one. And these totally look like they're knitted sweaters, but they're not. They're like porcelain. And then I love the color of these ornaments right here. A little bit lighter, and they've got snowflakes on them. Coming around the back side, we were just trying to fit stuff in everywhere. There are more stocking holders in with the air plants there. And then these are really cool. They're not tree toppers, but they look like it. But those are glass. Aren't those neat? And these right here, I forgot to mention up front, they light up. So there's lights that twirl around them. There's a nice tall one right up there. Some candle holders and some seasonal pictures. And then with the leftover ornaments, we have this metal ornament tree right here. So we brought that up, but I do have it taped to within an inch of its life to this table so that nothing can happen to it. And I know on camera here it doesn't look super effective because there's no weight behind it, but in real life it actually looks really pretty, especially with the extra, like this sparkly ornaments right here. There's button ornaments, and then there's a bunch of gifty kind of things, lotions and soaps. There's all the Nature's Willow stuff right up here front and center. But it was nice to have a little spot to put some of the overflow ornaments. There's some more of the felted reindeer right there. So fun. All right, back in here is the last spot we worked on, and we only had 30 minutes to do what we got done back here before we had to wrap it up. But we did place this nativity right here. Have a neat one on one piece. And then moving around the back side, we just kind of arranged the stuff that was here. A lot of the saints and angels and things were kind of just in a pile on the floor down here. So we arranged them. Monica had already finished the tree, so that was really nice, and it looks really pretty. We brought out, oh, that's no good. We brought out some nativities that are not staying upright. These tables are hard because the floor slants this way. So naturally everything wants to fall off. So anyway, we'll have to secure those somehow. But I love that nativity. Brought out some churches there, kind of rustic looking. And then there's another nativity that kind of skews more like powdery blue. Here is a pile of stuff we did not get to. A few other little statues. And then we did bring out some wall hangings. This fence section has been really nice because wall space is very limited in here. So it's nice to have somewhere to pop those things up easily. I love this dark blue, like so royal looking. Pillow covers, there's a whole bunch. I'm like, ooh, maybe I need some of those at home. And these little angel ornaments that light up. And you guys, that is gonna be it for today. I apologize if the video was a little bit of a mess because I was trying to move cameras around and get them out of the way of people. And I was trying not to be too much of a nuisance, and that can be difficult sometimes, especially when you're also trying to focus on making a display and making it nice and utilizing all the pieces and all of that. So I hope it was enjoyable to watch. Again, we will be back here to do a full tour where I will go slow and we will look at every single area. There are so many more. I know that there's like a couple more trees that they need to still even put up. And there's a whole bunch of more display, like things laying on the ground that need to be put up in trees. So I think in the next few days it'll be done. And then once all those plants get here, I think they're gonna be here on the 15th. So I'm guessing that it'll be right around there where we can come down here and do that full tour. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.